The living room is the heart of a home and multifunctional space designed for relaxations, entertainment, and socializing. It's where families gather to unwind after a long day. Friends come together to lively conversations, and the guest is welcomed into the warmth of your home. A well designed living room balance comfort and style, creating an inviting that they reflect the personality and lifestyle to its inhabitants, from the polished sofas and cozy armchairs to sleek coffee tables and elegant lightly textures to every elements to contributes to the room's overall ambience. The decor of living room can vary widely depending on personal taste and design preferences, and some may options for the aesthetics with clean lines and natural colors, while other might embrace more electric style with the vibrant and bold patterns to regardless of the chosen decor schemes. This keys to strike and hormones to balance between from a functions, ensuring that is space in both visually appealing and the conductive relaxations and socializing. In addition of serving as the gathering space, the living room often doubles entertainment hub. It's where families come together for movies nights, game seasons to and cozy fireside to chat. As such of important of the incorporate elements like the large screen TV sound systems and the comfortable sittings to arrangements of the encourage relaxations enjoyments. Ultimately is the living room is the reflections to people who inhabits its place to make memories, to share stories and create the meaningful connections with loved one, whether it's cute evening spent on the up with book and the lovely gathering and defense living room to set stage for the live most cherished moment. Don't forget subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon for more videos update. Thanks for watching.